Welcome back. It's day 8 of hitting this every day until it turns into a sword. And boy, do we got some work to do. And man, you guys are awesome. We have gained another 135 followers just since yesterday. And since we got 135 new followers, we're gonna hit it an extra 135 times. And since it's day 8, that's an extra 8. So that means we get to hit it a grand total of 143 times today. All right, we got a lot of hammering to do. And if you guys want to see me hit this a lot more, follow me on Instagram, because that means one follow is an extra hit every single day. I'm starting to feel it in my arms a little bit. All right, guys. There's 143 hits for day number 8. Man, we are finally starting to get a little bit of progress here. If you want to see me get a lot more done on this, make sure to follow.